Hi, welcome to the FMS Friday 15 webinar on dashboard reports with drill down capability. When you use the dashboard drill down capability, you're able to publish reports from the FMS structured report writer to the FMS portal's dashboard. So basically I'll show you here in the FMS structured report writer. It looks like this. You'll have your list of income statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements, whatever. All you need to do if you want to make a copy to go to the dashboard, click on that report, hit convert to dashboard, and then hit OK and confirm. That will put all the headers and everything in that the system needs to put that report out on your dashboard in the FMS portal. If you want additional people to be able to see that on their portal, you just go to the report and go to security, find their user ID and click dashboard, and that they will be able to see that as well. In addition, you can schedule reports to auto run through the FMS Dashboard Designer. I'll show you how to get there in just a moment, but the FMS Dashboard Designer looks like this. It's similar to the structured report writer. If I bring that in, you can kind of see that there are many of the same buttons are available and the same reports are available. But in addition to being able to do all the different things for structured report writer here, you can also schedule these reports to run automatically. And you basically click edit and then go to the schedule tab. And now you can set up a schedule for that report to automatically run. So if I click add here, you'll get a window that pops up for the scheduler. You can tell it when to run. You have a few options here. You can do one time only, certain days of every week, specific day of the month, etc. So if you want to purchase this report on the Saturday of every week to run for the previous week, you can pick certain days of every week, tell the time of day that you want it to run. So it defaults to 12 a.m. You can do offset days if you'd like. Put in a description. You can put it to the dashboard, or you can send it to your spool file, either way. And then you pick the day of the week. You can do it all days, Sunday. You see all the days are here. So if we pick Saturday at 12 a.m., then this report would automatically generate every week on the Saturday at midnight. All right. And then also we're going to look at the drill down on the sales, purchases, or any other accounts that you have in your structured reports that you put on the dashboard. You'll be able to go down to general ledger account balances without having to log into the FMS GUI software. You can go down to transaction level and even images if you have that. So here's a view of the dashboard itself. We'll go into the live version in just a moment. But basically what you see here is over on your dashboards tab in the portal, you'll go and you'll see your tree of reports that are available, that you've made available to yourself. You click on the links and the reports show up here. These links are very important. This is how we drill down, and I'll show you those. We'll do that in just a minute. But basically, as you can see, if it's a calculated amount, there's no drill down. But if it's a account selection, like grocery sales or grocery purchases, you can drill down there anytime you have the underlined link there. This is the view of the dashboard designer we just looked at. And this is a view of the date scheduler that we just looked at once it's scheduled. So let's go into the dashboard itself. And basically, as you can see here in this demo login, I have the dashboard tab in my portal. And I've got a list of reports here that are available to me. These are the names of the reports. And if you actually hit the plus button here, you will see different instances of those reports. So this one was a standard report that was ran for September 28th, 2008. It was number 20. And then I've also got the same report in stores across the top version, number 19 instance, same date. So we'll look at both of those. Before we get into that though, if you scroll down a little bit further, this is the link for the dashboard designer that will open up this software here. All right, let's go back up and drill down. All right, so we're going to look at the standard report first, just so you can see what it looks like and see the capabilities. And as you can see, when you hit the plus, it opens up the individual stores that are in this demo company. We'll click on the first one. And as it generates the report here, you can see this is a sample KPI report, or what we call key performance indicators. These are neat these are neat little reports that you can run. Shows on one page just a snapshot of your organization. In this case, we've got a tab for sales and purchases, a tab for labor, supplies, inventory, and cash. Click on the little plus here and it'll drill down for your departmental sales and drill down for your departmental purchases. And then you can go through the tabs and see labor for that particular store or whatever. And you can see anywhere that there's a link here, you can drill down. For drill down purposes though, let's look at the stores across the top, and you can see it opened up down to the Baltimore area, which should have all 4 stores. So here we go, we got 1 store, 2, 3, 4 at a total. And now our tabs are going to be the current week and last year based on the timing tabs. But we still have sales, purchases, and all of that, and we brought in the labor and everything onto this front page. To drill down, again, click the plus, and then you can see that there's links next to each of the purchases here. Let's click on grocery purchases, and this will open up a new tab in your browser, and it's going to show you whatever accounts make up that balance. So in this case, we've got a purchases account, a spoilage account, and a transfer account that makes up the number that we just saw. If I want to see the transactions for purchases, I just click on that row, and all the purchases that make up this 187,000 here will show up down below without having to log into the FMS software. So you can go through those if you'd like, but if you have images in this field over here, there'll be a link for that. So let's go to the last page. We have some images saved there. We'll scroll down, and you'll see here's the image link. So we'll look at this Coke. And if you have AP indexing with FMS, then your images will show up on all of your AP entries in your purchases when you drill down. And there it is. At this point, you can save, print, or email, or whatever you normally do. This is a PDF version, and it's the same link that you're going to get from within the FMS software when you're looking at indexed images there. Okay, that's it for the FMS drill down. Again, my name is Christopher Nolan. I'm the Director of Training here at FMS. Please call me at 877-435-9400, extension 1405, or email me at chrisn@fmssolutions.com. Thanks for your participation today.